Hello friends. Today I am going to start a series about medicinal plant which is found at your home, which is used as a home remedies. Today I will discuss its medicinal properties, which is very versatile properties. That's why it is very useful. So let's start. Today our medicinal plant is Indian pennywort, which is known as Gotu kola in India and also known as Mondu koporni. Yes, and also known as Brahmi boti, and in West Bengal it's known as Thankuni. It's distributed many part of the world like in India, Sri Lanka, China, Nepal, Madagascar also. It has been used as a medicinal herb for thousands of years in India. It is one of the chief herb for the treating skin problem, to heal wounds, for revitalizing. Revitalizing means refreshment, reanimate the nerves and brain cell. Yes, our refreshment, our nerve and brain cells also it can use. So it's that's why that primarily it's known as a brain food in India. Yes, in this plant it has many medicinal properties. Many phytonutrient, micronutrient are there in these herbs. There are many phytonutrient like carbohydrate, protein, and dietary fiber. It has vitamin A, vitamin B complex, C, E, A, E, K. Yes, there are many medicinal properties, and it has the most important secondary metabolites present: triterpenoids and flavonoids and carotenoids. Yes, because these triterpenoids are very important for these herbs, because this triterpenoid activity, this triterpenoid including various anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, antibacterial, antiviral, hepatoprotective. Hepatoprotective means it's prevent the damage to the liver. So that's why this hepatoprotective and gastroprotective, cardioprotective means it keep your health heart, keep your heart very healthy, and also hypolipidemic and anti-cancer properties. Yes, it has also anti-cancer properties. So that's why this is very versatile medicinal herb. It can use as a various prosthetic, like it is used as a traditional medicine, as a leafy vegetable, or as a beverage in many countries. And it nutritional property, I already mentioned these carotenoids and triterpenoid. Carotenoids, it also produce vitamin A. And nutritional value of this medicinal herb, it is also used as a porridge, which is used as a breakfast cereal dish in preschool children in Sri Lanka. Yes, it is also known as kola kenda in Sri Lanka, and it also used as a salad also, and soup also. And in Thailand it's used as a herbal tea. Yes, it's also used as a herbal tea. And it this syrup of this medicinal, this centella herb leaves with ginger and black pepper is taken for the cough, for the treatment of the cough. This syrup of these centella leaves, gotu kola leaves with ginger and black pepper, you can also use in your home. It's also cure your cough or treatment of your cough. And these leaf juices with palm jaggery also given to women as a tonic after delivery. Yes, you also use as a delivery also. After delivery it can use for the you as a tonic, mixed with it's also mixed with the water used for the treatment for eczema. Peels prepared. Yes, it peels also prepared from paste of these leaves with Ocimum centum and black pepper used for intermittent fever. The powder leaves of this Centella asiatica, the powder leaves used for leprosy, scrofula, and also used as a anti-ulcer, or also treating for ulcer. And it has a flavonoids property and essential oil property. That's why it also used for the cosmetic, as a cosmetic like hair care, also stimulate the peripheral circulation of the scalps, our head scalps. It also promote our healthy scalp condition, prevent our hair losses. So many medicinal uses. So please guys, read it, listen it, and use your home medicinal herb which is present in your home.